Hello guys, welcome to Physics Hub. My name is Science Sarifi and I'm a class educator on Unacademy. Today in this video I am going to discuss a special problem from complex analysis. The problem reads like this: the integral, okay, we have to find out the integral given by integration, okay, the contour is tau z e to the power I pi z by 2 divided by z square minus 1 dz. You have to find out the this integration, and the contour tau is also given to you. The contour is drawn in this way. This is y axis, this is x axis, and you can see it is given in such a way, okay. This is plus 1 given to you, this is minus 1, and this is the contour tau. Only one direction is given, so you can complete the direction in this way, okay. So how to solve this problem? This problem came in June 2017, CSIR June 2017. 4 options are given to you. So you know, in solving complex analysis question, we need to be very careful about the sense of orientation or direction. So you can see this contour tau is composed of two sections. One on is the right hand side section and the left hand side section, and you see the orientation is different. Here it is anti-clockwise, sorry, yes, here it is anti-clockwise and here it is clockwise. So what we are doing, we are just dividing the contour, total contour tau, as sum of, let's say, tau 1 plus sum of tau 2. We call this one, this left portion as tau 1, okay, and this right portion as tau 2, and the total is given by tau. So for tau 1 it is anti-clockwise, and for tau 2 it is clockwise. And you know, for anti-clockwise, the Cauchy's residue theorem says it will be 2 pi I, the formula will be 2 pi I into sum of residue. When it is in a clockwise sense, the formula will be 2 pi I into sum of minus 2 pi I into sum of residue, okay. So we will calculate both the integration separately and we'll just add them up, then we will get the desired answer. So what is the way to find the pole first? So you know how to find out the pole. We find the pole by setting the denominator z square minus 1 equals to 0. This gives you two values of z plus minus 1, and it is already given in the figure. Now we have to find out the residue at z equals to plus minus 1, okay. So I am omitting this, and let's try to find out the residue of that function at z equals to plus 1, let's say this one. So what is the residue? It's a simple pole. So limit z tends to 1, z minus 1, f of z. F of z is this z e to the power I pi z by 2 divided by z plus 1, z minus 1. Z minus 1, z minus 1 get cancelled, and if you put z equals to 1 here, then what will you get? If you put z equals to 1 here, you get e to the power I pi by 2 divided by 2. Next, we will calculate the residue at z equals to minus 1. For this one, means for tau 2. So limit z tends to minus 1, z minus plus z e to the power I pi by 2, z is also there, z minus 1, z plus 1. So z plus 1 get cancelled, and what you are getting? Minus 1, so minus z e to the power I minus I pi by 2 divided by z plus 1 minus 2, and this minus will get cancelled, so it will become 2, okay. So what is the total integration? This, so sum 2 pi I into, for z equals to 1 it is anti-clockwise, so we will take the positive value, plus 2 pi I into e to the power I pi by 2 divided by 2, plus, for this one we have to consider clockwise sense, so minus 2 pi I into this residue e to the power minus I pi by 2 divided by 2, okay. So if you consider, if you take common pi I, from here you can take common, you can take pi I common, then what will you get? E to the power I pi by 2 minus e to the power minus I pi by 2. Okay, now if you want to make it sign, we have to divide by 2i, multiply by 2i. Okay, this will become sin pi by 2, which is 1. So this will become 2 pi I square. Okay, so basically minus 2 pi, which is correctly matching with option C. So I hope you have understood this concept. If you have any question, query, you can let me know in the comment section. I will try my best to clarify them. And guys, before we stop the video, let me just tell you, I am also a plus educator on Unacademy. I give coaching for the CSR NET physical science aspirant. So you can join my Unacademy Plus classes. You can utilize our referral code Physics Hub while taking Unacademy subscription to get 10% off on overall fees. And what to say? Thank you. See you soon. Bye bye.